Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on and fix call waiting in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open phone app. Now in phone app, click on this three dot option icon and then click on settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on supplementary services. Now in supplementary services, turn on call waiting. So turn on this call waiting button and then go back to your home screen. Now open settings and in settings scroll down and click on general management. Scroll down to general management and in general management scroll down and click on reset. And after that click on reset all settings. And now click on reset settings to confirm. And after that enter your lock screen passcode here.